Do you remember the thrill of building with blocks as a kid? Can you imagine what you could have built with advanced electronic blocks? SparkBlocks takes simple building blocks and transforms them into an interactive system with lights, sounds, motion, and sensors. Every creation is more than a toy. It is a lesson in perseverance, problem solving, and skill building. No screens, just hands-on invention and ideas brought to life.
Hi, I'm Holden.
And I'm Mark.
We're dads, we're builders, and together we created SparkBlocks.
SparkBlocks are tough enough for real play and they're smart enough for real learning. Build simple circuits and connect real components.
Then bring your creations to life. SparkBlocks click right onto the blocks you already have, and unlike those subscription boxes that just pile up and get forgotten, SparkBlocks allow new creations over and over.
Because the STEM skills they use to build today will be the same skills they use to build it tomorrow.
We basically took plastic building blocks and we cranked them up to 11, adding real electronics, so your creations don't just sit there, they come to life.
After years of inventing, perfecting, and refining these blocks, we are so excited to be bringing them to you now.
I'm an engineer and a business guy, and I'm making sure these bricks are ready for prime time playtime.
In addition to our circuit kit, we're currently prototyping some more advanced parts, including robotics, microcontrollers, and we're developing an online community for you to share your creations on.
The designs are done, the prototypes work, we've already cut the first mold. With your support, we'll cut the rest of the molds and flip the switch on production, bringing SparkBlocks to builders everywhere.
Be one of the first to build and push your creativity to the next level.
Let's build something awesome together!
Back us today and help bring SparkBlocks to life.